Hey there, welcome to today's video where we dive into a fascinating problem that might just blow your mind. So, let's talk about the problem with scoped enumerations and the unexpected naming pollution issue that can occur in CLANG. It seems that the standard has some interesting things to say about visibility when it comes to certain enumeration declarations. Now, let's delve into the solution that was uncovered. It appears that there's a loophole in the language itself, which can lead to unexpected behavior in CLANG. According to the C++ standard, unscoped enumerators are bound in the scope that immediately contains the enum specifier. This has caused some confusion, especially when it comes to defining unscoped enumerations and their visibility within different scopes. In conclusion, it seems that there's a curious quirk in the C++ language, particularly when it comes to enumerations and their scope visibility. While CLANG's behavior might technically be legal, there's a consensus among developers and even CLANG maintainers that an amendment might be needed to ensure consistent behavior across compilers. And with that, we've come to the end of our video. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding,